Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Sprouting Season. So today I wanted to show you our laundry room. It's a mess and this is what we're going to tackle. We ordered some shelf units to go in here and get rid of what we have now so we can organize. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. You can come over here. This is what we have right now, and this belonged to my daughter at one time when she didn't have racks in her closet. So we're using it now for our laundry room, but it's a little flimsy. It's also hard to clean the floor. As you can see, we have kitty litter that gets in there and it's hard to clean. Okay, so we're getting a new shelf unit, and what we're going to do is we're going to take some plastic bins like this, and I've already started, okay, and we're going to put all of the bottles, laundry detergent, bleach, everything that goes in the laundry room, we're going to put them in these bins, okay. And like I said, I'm already starting to organize. When we get the shelf unit, then we're just going to put the bins, on the shelves and fix it up in here. But this is a project that I've been wanting to do. There's other things in the house that we need to get done too, like my office. But this is just an idea that I used to have at my other house. These same plastic bins, and you can get these like at Walmart or the dollar store, okay? And just organize all your bottles and make it look nice and organized in here. So I just wanted to show you the mess. So I'm going to keep you updated. When we get the shelf unit, you can join us and you can see the transformation. Okay friends, so I decided to go ahead and show you just the pre-finished product. Let's just put it that way. So we haven't gotten our shelves yet, but I went ahead and just fixed it up in the laundry room because it was just getting to me. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. So there's our washer and dryer. There's our kitty litter box. And so I added those bins to the shelves. And see how much neater that looks? Okay. Now, there's my husband's hat and cap in there. There's the plastic laundry baskets. And then there's our hangers. But what we're going to do with the hats and also the mops and brooms, we're going to get a rack. Okay. See right there? We don't want them there anymore. We'll probably put like a hanging rack right there and hang everything up. Like umbrellas and hats, mops, brooms, whatever we can. And then right here, I put the dog stuff and cat stuff in there. So down here, I have just extra things, pet stuff. And then here's like their harnesses and leashes and, brush, stuff like that. And then I just put the cat food there because it's easy access. And also, someone's at the door. The kitty litter handle. And that's it. And see how much neater that looks? So, one last look. And again, we're waiting on our shelves. And we're going to switch those out with the shelf unit. Because this is not sturdy yet whatsoever. But it works for right now. And that's it. So we'll see you on the next one.